Here I want to welcome you in last episode of how to edit your post, how to add markdowns and styling in your post. In this video, we will review mm, some tags and some styling. These tags are important. Now you can see how to create a table in using HTML tags. First of all, you will add table tag and then tr and then td and then you what you write and then close td tag in first. Now you can add td tag as same amount of items you want to add in a row of your table. Then when you complete your first row, you have to close your tr and then start tr for the next row and then add your items into it. As you can see, this is the table I have created of 3 rows and 3 columns. Now when I make a table with using markdowns, using stylings, not HTML, so this will look like this. I added markdowns and then I in second line I added a dash and the same straight line, a straight line type button, straight line type. uh, if I am creating 2 columns, I added one line between my items and 2 lines with the dashes. Here you can see your table is created with markdown styling. And now we will learn how to align your text to the left using HTML tag. So it is that simple. You will open a div tag and add a class is equal to pull left, and the text you write in the section of under this tag is it will go to the left, and the text you write after the closing of this tag, that text will be aligned to right. So here is the example. Now you can see same for the when we want to align our text right, just add right instead of left. As you can align your text using this tag, you can align your images and other things as well with using this tag. If you want to add a code in your article, codes in your article, it will not be shown in the article. It will applied. It will get applied. So you have to use these markdowns, these these symbols, and then you can add successfully your code on your post. As you can see the result. Happy steaming. Like and share. Wait for next.